I've made $10,000 in a short time, and everybody can do the same actually. Hi guys, again we continue our trading on binary options, and today I'm going to overclock my deposit. And you remember that I post the trading signals in my private chat, and the yield of these trading signals is about 85%. It's super crazy, it's very profitable. So if you're interested, come to my Telegram. You can find the link in the description under this video. Come to my Telegram, write me the code word private, you remember, and I will add you to this private chat. Of course, you can find in the description under this video one more chat with the reviews about this private chat, and you can check yourself, you can read all the reviews, and you can make up your own mind. So come to my Telegram, come to all the links, and we are getting started. So guys, today we are trading on Pocket Option platform, and our deposit today is $100, and I will try to overclock it up to $10,000. The first rotation is a support level, and at the moment we can see that the price is coming to our level and breaking through it. But it comes back up, and the only thing that's left is a wick. That is the false breakout, so we open a 1-minute trade for an increase for a pullback up. Well guys, let's wait for the result of this trade. There was a small pullback up of the support level, and here we got the profit. So let's keep on now trading. We can see here a support level. Also we can see the price came to a level and pulled back up to the internal resistance level. So I suggest opening a trade here with down for 3 minutes with a reserve, expecting that if suddenly there is a small flat or a small pullback up, after that the price will continue its downward movement and perhaps the price will start to break through the support level. So guys, we're entering a trade with down for 3 minutes. Okay guys, there was an impulse up. After that the price dropped down and broke through the support level, so we are getting the brilliant profit here. 3 minutes were quite enough, including a pullback up. So guys, let's keep on now trading. We can see a resistance level here. Also we can see that the price has come to the level quite impossibly. This can be seen in the green candles bodies. Then there was a slight attenuation and the price slowed down a little, but it didn't touch the level actually. So let's wait, because if our level is touched, then we will open a trade for 1 minute. We're down on a pullback from a resistance level. So guys, the price has come to the level and possibly here's a touch of our resistance level, so we're opening a trade with down for 1 minute on the pullback from the level. Let's check the results of this trade. That's great! There was a good downward impulse from the resistance level, and here we got the excellent profit. We also can see that the price is quite impulsively and strongly doping down. So I suggest opening the next trade here from the internal support level. Now we're waiting for the price to come to the level. If there is a slight attenuation, we will see that the candles are getting smaller. Then we will open a trade with up here. So guys, the price has just come to an internal level and we see that the price has stopped. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think that after an impulsive drop down to the internal support level, there will be a slight pullback up and we will close this trade in the profit. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well, there was a pullback, and after that the price again impulsively approached our entry point. After that there was a small pullback up again, and we have time to close this trade with a profit. We already have $801 in our deposit. So guys, let's continue. Here we can see support level. We also see that the price approached our level, after which there was a slight upward pullback, and I want to open a 3-minute trade. We're down. I think the price will move on to the support level, and next, sooner, it may also break it through. Let's wait for the results of this trade. That's great. After a small flat, the price has gone down and we got the profit. So let's move on to the next situation. Here we can see the resistance level. Also we see that the price has approached this level and has already pulled back down. But the price is not dropping lower. Since there was a good uptrend here, I think that very soon the price will break through our resistance level. So I want to open a trade here with a reserve of 3 minutes on the breakthrough of this level, expecting a small flat or a small pullback downwards, after which the price will again continue to move to our level and possibly break through that. So guys, let's wait for the results of this trade. That's awesome! The upward movement continued here and we got the profit. After a little flat, the price has broken through our resistance level and moved up. So guys, let's consider the next situation. Here we can see the support level and we can see that at the moment the price is starting to break through our level. So I want to open a 1 minute trade but down here. I think the final price movement will just drop down and 1 minute will be enough here. So guys, let's wait for the result of this trade. That's amazing! There was a downward impulse and we are getting the profit here. So we already have $3,885 in our deposit. Well, that's not bad. Let's keep on. Here there is a resistance level. The price has approached it quite impulsively, so I'm gonna open 1 minute trade way down on the assumption that there will be a slight pullback down. Okay guys, let's open a trade way down. That's awesome guys, there was a pullback down from the level and here we are getting the excellent profit. Well, let's look at the next situation. Here we can see the support level and you also can see that the price is coming to the level and in this situation I would like to open a 1 minute trade with up on a pullback of the support level, and you can notice that the price has slowed down and a green candlestick is showing up, and it's a good reason to open a trade with up. I think that there will be an upward pullback from this area because this is the first touch of the support level for a long time. Let's wait for the result of this trade. Let's check it out. Well, it's awesome guys, there was an excellent upward pullback from the support level and we're getting the brilliant profit of this trade. So we have got $10,925 in our deposit and it's very good. I have achieved my goal for today and I can finish my trading. You know, I've made $10,000 in a short time and everybody can do the same actually. I'm really sure about that. And if you learn trading in the price section, you can do the same. You can make the same money. Why not? This is a great way to have additional main income. If you're interested in it, why not do this? And of course guys, I must tell you about my private chat, because if you're interested in, if you're fond of trading, you can find very valuable information for yourself there. And many others already started trading and making money with me, because I post trading signals there with profitability of 85%. Yes, $85. So anyone can copy my trading strategy, because I give more details about that in this private chat. And many people already left their reviews about this chat, and if you want to check them, just find the link under this video and go ahead, check yourself. Maybe it will be interesting for you too. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, write your questions, and you can write me the question directly in Telegram. I will be very glad to answer all of you. So guys, see you in the next videos.